This pretty looking tetrahedral substance here is known as TiCl4. At least those are the letters and numbers. How would we name it? Would this be titanium tetrachloride? Would it just be titanium chloride? Would it be titanium 4 chloride? Would it be monotitanium 4 chloride? All these choices, and only one is correct. Let's find those weird rules that aren't very pretty but work in order to name just about any substance. This is Screencast 7.13. Best to teach it by example. There's a little flow chart there, but let's go ahead and try to learn it as we go. Because I'll bet you know what this is called. This is sodium chloride. Not sodium monochloride, not sodium 1 chloride, not monosodium chloride. We just say, for these ionic compounds, the elements. This, on the other hand, is carbon monoxide, isn't it? So there's different rules for whether it is covalent or ionic. If it's covalent, we use those secondary mono, di, tri type things. By secondary, I mean for the second element. If it's mono, we drop it for the first one. Right? Sodium chloride, there you go. Try this one. Do you like aluminum chloride or aluminum trichloride? Based on the little system up here, you should recognize that it's plain old aluminum chloride. We don't say aluminum trichloride, even though there's 3 of them. They should have, but they don't, so there you go. It's aluminum chloride. Why don't we say aluminum 3 chloride? Because aluminum's always plus 3. It's not multivalent. Try this one. What do you like? Well, ask yourself, covalent or ionic? There's no metal present, so it's covalent, so we do use monoditris, sulfur dioxide. This guy? Is it just iron dioxide? No, there's metal present, so we use the ionic system, which is no monoditri. However, you do use the Roman numerals if it's multivalent, and iron is. Therefore, iron 4 oxide. How about selenium dioxide? Oops, did I give it away? I think I did. Selenium is not quite a metal, so we are going to use the monoditris, therefore selenium dioxide, end of story. And here's the flow chart. Look for a metal. If it's just a metal, call it iron. If there's other stuff with it, it's probably going to be an ionic compound. And so in that case, if the answer is yes, then you'd never use the monoditri. And you do use the 1, 2, 3s if it is multivalent. And the covalents are a little simpler. We use monoditri, but never in the beginning. We don't say monocarbon dioxide. We just say carbon dioxide. It's not the world's easiest system, but that's how you name them. This is Screencast 7.13.